Hi, I'm the guy next door. If I can cook, you can cook too. Sandwiches, sandwiches, sandwiches. How boring. But the process will be very quick and very different. If you don't have any fancy equipment at home, I'm going to show you how to make this sandwich the easiest way you can. Okay, let's begin with removing the banana just like this from the skin.
Countryside, the water's so I wait up here, I just let it know.
And then we chop the banana.
Wait along the corridor, some would say they've seen me here before.
And then with every combination of bread pieces, we're going to spread the peanut butter on both sides of the bread. So there are many versions of peanut butter outside. I'm using the one that is crunchy and unsweetened. There are so many brands outside also.
No, I never felt this way. People change, but it feels like we stay the same. Every time you look at me, I'm heating up at least a third degree.
So I'm just going to show you how to make two pieces, and then it will go to the pan and we will fry it. Okay, we have one piece. Second piece. So what do I usually do? Just arrange the banana onto the bread pieces. Then we cover it up. That's all. Okay, make sure the pan is hot. So on a hot pan, this is what I do. Remember, these are the pieces of peanut butter spread on both sides of the bread and the banana inside. So, control your fire. Put it on the hot pan. Scrape the butter. Let the bread take in the butter. Okay, that's all. The other side, see, it's turning black very fast because I think the pan is very hot.
Countryside, the water's so I wait up here, I just let
That's all. Let's make another one. Same thing. Put in. Scrape the butter. This is my way of doing it. Some people, they'll put it on the grill and they'll put heavy butter and then they sizzle it. Mine is very fast. Okay. Very fast, very simple, very easy to do. Anybody can do it, right?
Ooh, let's find out.
With a bread knife. Some people may just want it, you know, but this is just for presentation's sake. You take out the sides.
Every time you look at me, I'm heating up at least a third degree.
And some people may not want to eat it in the whole piece. We can quarter it.
Need to go this far. We do know who we are. Can we make this
Again, the same thing. Just trim off the sides of the bread.
somewhere close about? Ooh, let's find out.
Some people may like to do a triangle. That is also possible. Okay? You want a triangle? Let's do a triangle.
Everything
As for myself, I'll just leave the sides on and I'll just munch the whole piece. A bit rough, but that is my way of doing it. It's very delicious. I love peanut butter banana sandwich.
this far. We do know who we are. Can we
Okay, that's it. So, okay, it's done. Oh, my videographer wants a piece.
Ooh, let's find out. Ooh, let's find out.
Oh, is that good, eh? Okay. So guys, this is the peanut butter banana sandwich that I've just shown you how to make it. It is a very simple sandwich, very easy to do, very convenient for packing for lunch, or if you want to go outside, very easy finger food for a gathering, even for a party. Even a child can make it. It's so easy, and it's packed with banana and peanut butter. It gives you that energy boost to liven up your day.
Almost died.
And this is the kind of sandwich that you can make without a toaster or any fancy equipment. What you need is just a frying pan and a ladle, and that's it. It's so easy to do. If you like what I have done for you, this recipe, kindly like and share my videos with your friends, with your neighbors. Please do subscribe to my channel and do comment. Thank you.